Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. For your gender energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. Taurus. I have a pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance, Taurus. If you want more clarity, you can stay tuned for that reading, guys. And if you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. So let's start with these cards. We have book, mice, and garden. So, in your circumstances, guys, Taurus, maybe in your work situation or in your relationship, you are someone who has a lot of skills and talents. You're working hard, dedicated to your work, and that may be the reason someone, maybe they may act like your friend or pose as your friend, but they are trying to use you in some ways, maybe grab your opportunities or use your skills and talents to benefit themselves. So this person is not your true friend, and they are just there with you because they want to use you. And maybe today in your circumstances you would have lacked clarity in certain things, you are confused about certain things, maybe some clarity regarding some choices, you need to make some decisions, maybe, or it may be in this relationship you may not know what this person is thinking or feeling. Maybe they want a deep committed relationship just like you are planning for or wishing for, or they are not so interested like you, not to that extent. So, all that clarity is going to reach you today, guys. So, whatever this person feels and thinks, you are going to see it clearly, or you may have someone telling you, it may be your friend or a common friend or your family member or their family member, giving you that knowledge, giving you that clarity, whatever you had, you were expecting or you were worried about. So, that is reaching you today, guys, Taurus. And I also see that you are having a good time today, celebrating with friends or family or with this person you love. So you are happy with the way things are going in your life today. Maybe some happiness, it may be some beginning of success you are celebrating today. So maybe some projects or some financial deals, it may be something work related, or it may be for this relationship. So for that clarity, you are happy for that, guys. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It is house. So you are working towards a deep, meaningful connection with this person. You want a stable relationship with them, deep, meaningful relationship, and you are building a strong foundation, and you are really comfortable to be with them because you feel that they protect you and they care for you. So it may be your energy or their energy towards this relationship, guys. So we were talking about some kind of clarity. So looks like you have clarity, you have reached clarity today, and you feel really secure and safe with this person in your life, and you are having that satisfaction and contentment in this relationship, guys, Taurus. So for your career situation, guys, we have stars. So looks like all those dreams and goals you have, aspirations, ambitions you have, you are reaching towards that, and this is a very positive card here, guys. So your wildest dreams are um, coming true, maybe, guys, and you are reaching towards your dreams and goals, and all those dreams are becoming a reality, or you may see the first steps towards your dreams or goals manifesting, and you are simply happy. So, a very positive set of cards here, guys, Taurus, in your situation. So, that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Taurus. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. So, this is your first card and this is your second card. So, you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way, the reading may resonate, guys. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. So let's start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep the second card aside. So for those who chose this card, it says time for a nap. So with this card in your circumstances today, guys, in your relationship, maybe this may not be the time for you to make plans, make any plans. If you are with the person you love, it is a good time to know yourself, to know the other person, to build that understanding and allow things to flow naturally in this relationship. So, beautiful renewal or rejuvenation is taking place all by itself, guys, and patience is the key for your heart's desire right now. So, you need to withdraw from action in this relationship and give it rest, for that love and that connection can become more deeper, more refreshed, rejuvenated, and more lively today, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So for those who chose the second card, let us see what is the second card. What is the crystal? This is a crystal spirits card, guys. So this is the crystal for you all today. And with this crystal stands for orderliness, clearing clutter. So whatever was bothering you, maybe emotionally or physically, you need to go for that orderliness. So orderliness in your interactions and in your thought about your relationships or interactions with the people you love, people you are close with. So this is the perfect time for yourself to journal about your thoughts and feelings when it comes about people whom you care for, guys. So if any challenging emotions come up, you need to understand that universe is here guiding you today, and it wants you to be happy, and you can feel happy, secure that universe's guidance is there in your life. So all you need to do is be aware of the emotions that you feel today towards the people you love, or the thoughts you have towards the people you love, and see whether you need to adjust, whether you need to make any changes in your relationship, guys. So that way you are moving towards a perfect understanding and clarity. So you need to think clearly for yourself, So, from your side, whatever needs to be done, you need to go for that to improve yourself, improve this relationship, or enhance this relationship. So, that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this Crystal Spirits card, that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this kind of reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.